First day on the BP Ultimate, I think it was as expected, muddy, a lot of sand, a lot of water.
It was a really nice stage, very narrow, so you need to drive very carefully, not to push too much, but also not to relax.
Then we had the second special stage, approximately 100 kilometers. First section quite fast and sandy, and then approximately in the middle we changed completely. The terrain was way narrow and a lot of mud and a lot of water, so it was difficult.
Water was everywhere, on me, on the road book, in road book. So my last 15 kilometers we can say was without a road book.
I think we had enough. quite some of the holes were very deep, so a lot of water. The first one I take it full speed, was completely wet.
But in overall I'm really glad about today's result. So I hope the second and the third place will be first time in the V2RC quad category history. So cheers for that.